Hi, welcome to Gagajoy's kitchen today. This is Gagajoy, and we're going to be making today a dessert, and it's called Chocolate Lovers Tart with, you also have Heath bars in it. So as we go along, I'll give y'all the ingredients. I took a cake, chocolate cake, and I made it by the directions on the box, and I am mixing up. This is a whole box of chocolate pudding and 2.5 cups of milk. And I'm starting mixing it because it needs to set up a little bit. We've got whipped cream and caramel, ice cream caramel. Now, does that sound good or what? And it's so easy, and it's, you can add a little bit more to it. I started to add some nuts, but I thought, well, no. Some of the kids in my family don't like nuts, so I thought I'd stick to it the way they asked me to. So, this is my tart bowl that I love so much. And I cut my cake up, and see those little pieces, so I can put it in the bottom. And we'll pack it down a little bit. Maybe another piece. Now, I'm going to put whipped cream on it first. This is really good to take to, you know, for picnics this time of year, because it's very hearty. Okay, and now we're going to put some pudding. Just swirl it around. With a handful of our Heath bar mix. And caramel. My daughter likes the salted caramel. I don't think that I got salted this time. Yes, I did. I got salted caramel. I'm happy about that. Now, just like making a lasagna, you just keep adding the layers. Everybody asks me why I don't make more desserts, but I can't really ice in something real pretty. I don't have an art to that. My daughter does beautiful work though. Okay. Now, another layer of whipped cream. Pudding. Okay, now let's put a whole lot of our Heath bar mix here. I've always loved Heath bars. And this, after it's in the whipped cream and all, everything becomes, you know, it's not as hard as it normally would be. Now I'm going to put the caramel on, of course. And you got to say this is chocolate lovers because there's a lot of chocolate in it. And caramel, of course. Now, this probably will be the last layer, so I'll put plenty of it on, and then I have a little topping for this too. It's usually better to let it set about 4 hours before you cut it, or take it somewhere. It does still need to set up. For that little bit of topping. This is actually icing, and I put it in the microwave oven for about 30 seconds and just drip it over the top. I think you're going to get a rush out of this one if you get from chocolate. And that, my friends, is our Chocolate Lovers Heath Bar Tart. See how pretty it is all around. Well, we've had a good day. Remember the joy this week. There's so many people hurting. We need to think about other people. And we'll see you soon.